Hey, what's up, y'all? I got some new lights in. Try to brighten it up in here a little bit. And I got them from, not quite sure how to say the name, but they have all kinds of lights over there. Just about any you could think of, really. But these are some 100-watt high bay LED lights I got. I had something similar, so I went with these. I wanted that plug-in option because I'm going to move them around and around until I figure out just where I want them. But it also has the option to hardwire. It has settings on it for 60 watt, 80 watt, 100 watt. Has a little eye hook for the top and a safety chain. I have a link in the description box if you want to go over there and check them out. They sell on Amazon. But they definitely made a difference. I got two of them hanging up here, and these are on 80 watt, and they brighten this whole side up. I'm gonna get the other two put up here soon. You can kind of tell the difference on the side to side there, how it's brighter over there now. But there'll be a link in the description box, and if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.